What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs. On today's episode, we are going to talk about why I do not like Teslas and why I will never buy a Tesla unless they change a certain rule coming up. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ryan. For those of you who don't know me, it's Ryan and welcome to my channel. And for those of you who've been following me for some time, thank you so much for your dedication and thank you so much for following me. Now, guys, I know that I told you that I do not like Teslas, and let me give you some of the reasons why. One, I do like hearing the sound of an engine in my vehicle. For some reason, I like it. Now, I know Teslas are great for the earth. I know that they do a lot to help out in the future with electricity and keeping our earth clean and whatnot. But for some reason, the biggest thing that I do not like about Tesla, it comes in the form of parts. Now, what I mean by parts is, you guys know that I love working on vehicles in my area. I love doing it. I love fixing things. I love doing things with my hands, having projects for you guys to show you different things. And it's cool and all. But the one thing with a Tesla is it has to do with the parts. Now, what I mean by that is if I need a door mirror or I need something to replace on my Tesla, I cannot get it. And the reason being is, one, I'm not certified for Tesla. But it's not hard to figure out, but you got to be certified. Two, you have to have a shop with insurance registering $1 million plus in insurance. How do I know this? Because my friend Peter, for those of you guys who know, has the body shop. And in his body shop, we went to go get a door mirror for one of his clients' car. And we could not get it because they were telling us that we need to be registered with Tesla, get training, have a shop insurance of $1 million or more, and then it takes about 3 to 4 weeks to be approved by Tesla all the way in California to head back here. Nobody has that time. And I also noticed that they would not sell customers parts anymore either. Now, I now, from what Peter told me before, they used to give parts out, and for some reason they just stopped. I'm guessing that they found a way that they just want to make everyone come to their shops to get all the business there. A lot of people may not even know that they have to go straight to the shop to repair everything in Tesla. Now, Teslas, I'm sure they can take advantage of the prices and make everything skyrocket, because now the only place you can get that is at Tesla and nowhere else. So me being a mechanic, me liking to fix my own stuff, me never liking to take vehicles out to the shops unless there's recalls, that doesn't sit right with me, because if I break something as simple as a door mirror, I want to be able to go into the dealership and purchase a door mirror and walk out the door. It's not like we're asking for it for free. We would want to purchase it. And because of that, I don't like Tesla. Now, I think Tesla is a cool car. I think they're a great company. I think they have a great idea going there with what they're doing for the future. And they're fast. They are fast. So don't get me wrong. They're great. The only rule that they have is not selling parts to the public, not selling parts unless you're registered. And I get that they want you to be certified to just be safe dealing with all the electric components and stuff, but changing simple things as door mirrors and little accessories, I think that's a little bit too extreme, not selling those parts to the public or people who know what they're doing. Now, if they were to offer a training course and say, hey, once you are trained and certified right then and there, we'll sell you the parts, cool. But you have to go through a whole bunch of registration and all kinds of stuff you have to prove before you can even take the class, and so on and so forth. And I don't know. I don't think it's worth it, honestly, to me. Later on down the road, maybe. But that's the reason why I don't want a Tesla at all. If they change it, I'll get one because I do think they're cool. But if not, well then, they're not getting my business. And that is that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick episode. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And also, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Please leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you like Tesla, why do you like them? And if you don't like Tesla, leave me a comment of why you don't like Tesla. Now, I know they do have the Cybertruck coming out, which I think is pretty cool. It looks weird, but it's pretty cool. But anyway, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. And I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.